Hi you guys, I'm glad you made it back. But if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my GMC Do-It-Yourself Repair channel. In my channel here, you'll see I have tons of videos that I'm sure that I have something in here that'll interest you. It doesn't take a lot of experience or knowledge and doesn't take a lot of tools. And one thing for sure, you're going to save tons of money. So before you go to a mechanic or the dealership, click on the upper right hand corner there and explore my channel. I'm sure I have something in there that's going to save you some money. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really helps my channel. And by the way, hit that bell and leave a comment. And believe it or not, if you leave a comment, I respond back to you. Yeah, I know, I don't have a life, so I have nothing else better to do. Okay, let's get started here. Well, today I'm going to show you where your front and rear windshield wiper pump fuse is at. It's the pump that shoots the windshield wiper fluid on your windshield to get it clean. I'm going to quickly show you where the fuse for that is at. So before you take it to a dealer or a mechanic, you may want to check this first. So this is going to be a quick video, plus it's easy to locate. These fuses only cost about a couple of bucks each at the most. So let's get to work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood open. And if you stand just where the driver's side tire's at and look in the engine compartment, you're going to see a box right where the red arrow's at. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lid on top of this box. You're going to put your hand behind the box, you'll feel a little lip, and you're going to pull upwards and it'll pop right off. Just remove it and set the lid aside. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. Okay, if you look at the bottom where the blue arrow's at, you're going to see 3 gray boxes. Now look at the gray box on the right side where the blue arrow's at, and to the right of that box you're going to see 2 fuses where the 2 red arrows are at. The fuse on top where the red arrow's at, that is where your front and rear windshield wiper pump fuse is at. It's a 15 amp fuse. Go ahead and pull it out, check it, make sure you got a good fuse. See how easy that was to find? Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.